Handling shedding. Snakes shed their skin regularly, and it is important to provide appropriate conditions to facilitate this process. A humid hide, such as a box filled with damp sphagnum moss, can help your snake shed their skin more easily. It is important to handle your snake gently during the shedding process, as their skin is sensitive and may tear. Research and education. Each species of snake has unique needs and behaviors, so it is important to research and educate yourself about the specific needs of your snake. Joining online forums or groups dedicated to snake owners can also be a helpful resource for information and support. Monitoring and observation. Regularly monitoring and observing your snake can help you identify any potential health issues or changes in behavior. Look for signs of illness, such as lethargy, loss of appetite, or unusual feces. If you notice any changes, consult with a veterinarian who specializes in reptiles. Handling and socialization. Handling and socialization can be beneficial for some species of snakes, particularly those that are naturally docile and enjoy human interaction. However, it is important to be cautious and always handle your snake gently and safely. Avoid handling your snake immediately after feeding or during shedding, as they may be more prone to aggression or stress during these times. Potential risks. It is important to be aware of the potential risks associated with owning a pet snake. Some species can be dangerous or venomous, and should only be kept by experienced handlers. Even non-venomous species can bite or become aggressive if they feel threatened or stressed. Additionally, certain types of bedding, such as cedar chips or pine shavings, can be harmful to snakes if ingested. Legal considerations. Before acquiring a pet snake, it is important to research any local or state laws regarding ownership. Some species may be restricted or illegal to own, and it is important to comply with any regulations to avoid legal issues. Nutrition. Snakes have specific dietary requirements that vary depending on their species. Some species are strict carnivores, while others may eat a variety of prey items including insects, rodents, and other small animals. It is important to research the specific dietary needs of your snake and provide them with appropriate prey items in the correct size and frequency. Live prey should only be offered if it is safe for both the snake and the prey, as injured or aggressive prey can harm the snake. Water and hydration. All snakes require access to fresh, clean water at all times. The water dish should be large enough for the snake to soak in if they desire, and should be changed and cleaned regularly to prevent the growth of harmful bacteria. Some species of snakes may require higher humidity levels and may benefit from misting or the use of a humidifier in their enclosure. Quarantine. If you acquire a new snake, it is important to quarantine them from any other snakes you may own for a period of time to prevent the spread of any potential diseases or parasites. Keep the new snake in a separate enclosure and observe them closely for any signs of illness or stress before introducing them to any other snakes. Breeding. Breeding snakes should only be attempted by experienced handlers who have a thorough understanding of the specific needs and behaviors of the species they are breeding. Additionally, breeding snakes requires a significant investment of time, space, and resources, and should only be done with the goal of improving the health and genetic diversity of the species.